Here's how to blur and track a person's face in CapCut with just a click of a button, and change the blur type if you have to. The best part, it works on clips with multiple faces. Now let's get into it. With your clip in the timeline, in the media library, click on Effects and select Body Effects. Now drag Face Mosaic down to the clip. It will automatically blur the person's face and track it. You can increase the range if the blur doesn't cover the entire face, and you increase the size of the blur for an even stronger effect. Now, the best part is it works on clips with multiple faces. If you're not a fan of face mosaic, there's another type of blur that works just fine: Gaussian blur. Now, search for Gaussian blur and drag it down to the clip. This will also blur the person's face. You can equally increase the size of the blur so it covers a wider area of the face. This also works on clips with multiple faces. That's it. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.